Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Second Chance Overland. Working on the Gladiator some more today, trying to get this thing finished up with some of the new projects. Now, if you follow my channel, it's no secret to you that I am a big fan of the American Adventure Lab products. And recently they've come out with a new, fairly new product here. And it is a rear seat overhead Molle panel. So I went ahead and picked one up. This is the two main pieces. So this is actually going to go in the cab behind the sound bar for the back seat. So the thing I'm really excited about this is that as much as I love the overhead Molle panel in the front, if I try to put anything on it that's hanging down, it gets in the way. It gets kind of annoying. So this is going to allow me to put some of those things back in the back seat area, which of course I don't have the back seat, so I'm not worried about them really being in the way of passengers or anything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get this installed. Looks like it should be pretty easy. There's two main panels and a couple of cross brackets and then a small centerpiece to install. Now the instructions say to do one side, put all your braces on, and then have a helper. I'm going to do this a little bit different. I don't have a helper here right now, so I'm going to be doing it on my own and see how it goes. So get started on this here and see what we can do. So I'm going to start with this first bar that goes across the front here, and you've got all your little bolts. It's really pretty easy. This is quite literally nuts and bolts. I think over the years, my buddy Brett, who you may have seen some videos of me out at the racetrack with him, he's always been kind of interested about the cars, but never really confident enough to work on them himself too much. And I always tell him, it's just nuts and bolts, man. It's just nuts and bolts. And he's come a long way. He does a lot of stuff, but he's always kind of giving me a hard time about that. It's just nuts and bolts. But I do feel that's pretty true. If you don't overthink it, just look at it as nuts and bolts. You can get a lot done on your own. Alright, so here's the other bracket. I'm calling it the rear side. I don't know why. It's probably actually forward facing, but it's got two tabs on the bottom where you'll bolt the main parts to on the bottom side, and then you've got the side rail. Alright, so now I'm going to go through and tighten all this stuff up. A 4mm Allen wrench and 10mm wrench, socket, whatever. That's all you're going to need for this main part. All right, so now we've got our overhead Molle panel built. We can go ahead and set it in place and start getting it bolted down. And I'm going to show you the next modification I'm going to do to their instructions here. All right, so to bolt this thing in place, you've got an Allen head conical bolt. You've got this special washer, and that is machined to fit in the Molle panel and the hole that's in the top of the roll bar. You got this machine piece that goes in the bottom, and then the nut. So go ahead and put this in here like so. And we're going to go ahead and find our hole up top here. Send that on down. There we go, kind of like that. And then this little washer goes up here and will ultimately sit inside that little hole right there and locate it. And we'll put the nut on. Now this is going to be a 5mm Allen up top and a 13mm on the bottom. Now the instructions and the kit actually comes with these straps, and you're supposed to put these straps through and strap the front end down to hold it. I'm going to make a little change to that here, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and bolt these down for now. So we got some flex at the front because it's not bolted down in the front, and that's where the straps are supposed to come in. But I'm going to do something a little bit different. All right, so with the Molle panel in place, these are the slots that the strap is supposed to go through and hold the front side of this Molle panel down from flexing, but not a huge fan of that. So here's what I'm going to do. I've got these low profile wide head M6 Allen bolts, and I'm going to drill in and put a nutsert in and bolt it down. So let's do that. Alright, so I've got the holes drilled and the nutserts in. Now we can put the Molle panel up and get this thing fully installed. Alright. So the rear overhead Molle panel is in and done. I'm gonna like that. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. Pretty easy install, really. I'm glad I made that change and nutserted the front end. It was hard to drill. I burned up a lot of drill bits on it, so just be aware of that if you do the same. It probably would be a lot easier, honestly, and I don't know if it's any better or worse or whatever to use the straps, but it's in. I'm happy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on Second Chance Overland.